Darling, you send me. I know you send me.
Hello. How are you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna watch another AIB video. I watched AIB Man's Best Friend. I noticed in the comments a lot of you wanted me to watch AIB A Woman's Besties. So for feeling kind of jittery about this because there's a lot of controversy around it, and it's a really famous video, a really popular video, so it would be sexist if I don't watch this one as well. So let's go ahead and watch AIB A Woman's Besties. पाँव भारी हो गया, heavy leg.
Now is not the time for this, Kritika.
मैं टाइम वाइम नहीं जानती हूँ प्रिया, जानती हूँ तो सिर्फ भूख, जिस्म की भूख।
खत्म नहीं होती ना जिस्म की भूख? Please don't be positive. Please don't be positive. Please don't be positive.
Why are you always so negative, Priya?
Are you idiots? तुम्हारी समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या? This is really serious, guys. If I'm pregnant, we're all pregnant.
Okay.
तो चिल्ला रही हूँ? बिना छतरी के चक धूम धूम करने का आइडिया किसका था? तुम्हारा।
Moistus Maximus. Kritika. Okay. Kita Lobita. This is gonna be
इस
explicit.
पे काला टीका लगाने को ना प्रोटेक्शन नहीं कहते।
Duh, I know. I had backup. Sorry, flow में हो गया. होता है कभी कभी. But we've done bareback before.
That's not the kind of message we're giving to the girls who are watching this video.
You were supposed to be in your safe zone.
You were supposed to use a condom.
I hate you.
Okay, so
You know what's gonna
there's a
happen to
pregnant scare, okay.
This is what's gonna happen to me.
प्रिया darling, listen, look at me.
Butter paper
Alright,
जीत
your
गया.
life is gonna go from basic instinct to क्या कहना to. We are just preparing you for the worst.
पता है? आज हाइमन की बड़ी याद आ रही है। अगर वो यहाँ होती ना, तो ये दिन देखना नहीं पड़ता हमें।
Vajanti,
Vajanti.
you know you can make all of this go away, right? देख मैं तेरे लिए क्या लाई? Extra long wings with gel coverage and Chanel number 5 scent. जिसके हजारों Ryan micro goslings दे आपकी चड्डियों में दिन भर warm fuzzy feeling शक्ति लाई.
Ryan Goslings.
हेलो, यूट्री जी, कैसी हैं आप? जरा मोटर ऑन कर दीजिए ना। प्रिया कह रही थी फ्लो नहीं आ रहा।
What did she say?
That's not how it works. यूपीएससी का एग्जाम डिफिकल्ट होता है, कॉन्डम पहनाना नहीं।
What was I thinking? Of course you wouldn't help me. हमेशा अपनी मनमानी करती हो. जब मर्जी ड्राई डे, जब मर्जी हैप्पी आवर. You're a bitch. याद नहीं तुम्हें?
यार ये montage जब शुरू होता है ना,
Since the male thought of period blood makes the ball uncomfortable, we've stuck to representing it in its purest form, a blue liquid. Enjoy your delusions.
Good morning, everyone. Congratulations. We've
Blue
had
liquid,
a very
yeah.
impressive quarter, but this is, of course, the beginning, and it's that time of the month when it's festive season down
Oh.
south.
No, don't sneeze. No, don't sneeze, don't sneeze. Bastard. सही है ना, सही है। तुम हीरो, मैं विलेन। हाँ, तुम ठाकुर, मैं गब्बर, और तुम सुपरमैन, और मैं लेक्स लूथर। देखो क्या किया तुम्हारे प्रिया ने मेरे साथ, वो भी चूजे वरुण के लिए।
Actually, Baju, that was for me. Do you know what it's like being lost in your thick, dense jungle?
यार ये जीत रही है.
Dark, and I couldn't see anything. And then suddenly there was light, and we were both free. Guys, we're besties. Besties before testes. We've been
Nice.
through so much together, and we've had awesome times. Remember?
हम दोनों जो खेलते थे गुल बिखेर मैं जो हिलती थी तो तुम कैसे
जिगलते थे.
छोटी छोटी बातों पे हम क्यों गिगलते थे, हम सब मिलके ना जाने क्या क्या गूगलते थे. मैंने जो किया ड्रॉप तो तुमने पकड़ लिया,
बहुत आला.
पर गलती होने पे थोड़ा डांट भी दिया.
Come back. Yeah. Okay.
थोड़ा किया प्यार, थोड़ी शैतानियाँ.
घबराई हुई है दोनों लाइट में. यार, look at this picture.
Come on, group hug time.
Fuck off.
No problem.
हाँ, what did you think? थोड़ी सेंटी मारोगे सब ठीक हो जाएगा?
क्या चूत समझ के रखा है ना मुझे तुमने?
कैसे बात करती है यार ये? You kissed my boyfriend with that filthy mouth of yours.
First of all, he kissed me. Secondly, he liked it.
What do you mean, huh? You think that he's with you only because of me? I mean, he's with
I
me
don't
only
think
because
I
of you.
know.
Shut up.
Hormones are चुप रह साली.
झगड़ा झगड़ी मत करो. मिलन सुमन को याद करो.
Milind Suman.
गांडू.
Is he a model or something? Guest as apprentice.
अरे not you यार गांडू, like metaphorically गांडू.
This is more explicit than the guy one, yaar. Heavy leg. Still makes me laugh.
क्या हुआ? Not pregnant.
Not pregnant.
See guys, I told you. मैंने भी कहा था ना guys, we're not pregnant. We won't be pregnant. Just relax. It's okay.
So sorry, Vaju, I overreacted. We'll always be super duper tight. Guys, मैं संन्यास ले रही हूँ. आज से ये सब बंद. छोटे मोटे प्रेगनेंसी स्कैर ने हमारी इतनी बड़ी लड़ाई करवा दी. कल को STD वगैरह हो गया तो क्या होगा? I'm not gonna risk this friendship, and for what? For sex?
He's like, yes.
What is sex? It's just time pass. It's a distraction.
She's about to kill herself.
No Maya. Sab band. I'll see you guys in the Himalayas. Fuck it. चलो sex करते हैं.
मैं जा रही हूँ.
Yeah.
हम दोनों जो खेल
Critical acclaim for her monologues. You have a lot of safe sex. Okay.
का तुमने की मन
Click it back on happy ending.
थोड़ा किया प्यार,
Got banned from social media. Yeah.
शैतानियाँ.
Oh man, come on.
Hey guys, if you like this video, then like this video. As in, go press the like button. Ding! I liked it.
And leave us a comment. Please tell us how good we are, but don't tell us how bad we are.
Press the bell icon to get more updates on what not all they are doing. That's not a sentence.
Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already.
And remember, basties before chasties.
Besties before testies.
Basties before last. Okay, so we just watched AIB, A Woman's Besties, and I have to say मुझे थोड़ी सांस लेनी पड़ी उसके बाद जब वीडियो खत्म हुई. That was a lot of information there. I don't know where to begin. I don't know where to start. A woman's body has really been a topic that's not been talked about enough in the right way in our society all over the world. There's a lot of ignorance attached to how women and their bodies work, and simply put, men do not know enough about women. This video addresses that in a good way, in a really funny way, sometimes really explicit way. It addresses all the issues and all the problems, just like in AIB's Man's Best Friend. It makes you think something, ke yaar, guys have it good, right? Okay, we just have this one guy to take care of, and women have to deal with so much bullshit, so many aspects of their body and of their sexuality. If you go back to the scene where she's going out for a run, और उसको एक दूसरा लड़का नजर आता है, तो जॉगिंग के दौरान जो दिखाते हैं कि ही इज जस्ट रनिंग विद वन लाइट बैगेज एंड शी इज रनिंग विद एवरीबॉडी विद हर. तो उसकी पलटन बहुत बड़ी है कंपेयर टू लड़के की पलटन. दैट्स समथिंग दैट मेक्स यू थिंक यार दे हैव इट हार्ड इन लाइफ compared to us guys. So yeah, that's a good point made there. Yeah, thoda explicit tha, I suppose, to make it funny and to make it humorous. Kudos to these girls that stepped up and wrote freely. I don't think किसी ने इनको रोका है कुछ भी लिखने से. They just wrote whatever the script required and whatever the video required, and kudos to them. Great job. It was funny. I enjoyed watching it. Thank you for recommending it. Let me know what you guys want me to watch next. If you guys like the video, press like. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Shab khair.